Good morning, everyone. Have your seat, everybody. How are you all? I'm also good. So, as you all know, our exams are coming soon, right? So, today we will do revision of our FA2 syllabus in English grammar. Okay, so here is a worksheet. This will help you in exam. These kind of questions you will see in the exam. Okay, these are few examples. Okay, so in our syllabus, which chapters are coming? Chapter 5, 6, 7. Okay, and a paragraph, a few lines on my school and a story, right? So we are going to do the revision of these topics. So look at the exercise A. Fill in the blanks with the correct describing words. What is the first question? We have to fill the correct describing words. Can you tell me what are the describing words? Yes, Himansh. Himansh, I'm asking what are the describing words? Give me some examples. What? Speak louder. Okay, tell me. It is a big house. What is the describing word here? It is a big house. Big is the describing word. Very good. Sit, Himansh. Which word is the describing word? Big. Which word is the describing word? Big. Sudiksha, stand up. Sudiksha is an intelligent girl. I'm saying Sudiksha is an intelligent girl. So what is a describing word here? Intelligent. Right? So intelligent word is telling us about Sudiksha, telling us the quality of Sudiksha, right? And the word big is telling us about the house. What kind of house? Big. What kind of girl is Sudiksha? Intelligent, right? Okay, I have a black pen. I have a black pen, right? Stand up, Daksh. What is the describing word here? I have a black pen. Tell me. Black. What is the describing word? Black is the describing word here because this word is telling us about the color of the pen. About the color of the pen, right? So the words that tell us about the quality, about color, about the number of any noun or pronoun are called describing words. Okay. So look at the exercise. Put the dash roses in the vase. Okay. We have to fill the correct describing word. Yes, Anaya. Red roses or sad roses? Red roses. Which describing word is suitable? Red. Fill it. Then next, stand up. Khushi, stand up. Don't speak answer. Don't speak answer. I'm asking to you. Okay? Don't speak the answers directly. Yes, Khushi. I have an dash umbrella. An means only one. N means one, right? So I have an dash umbrella. Two or blue? Blue. Two is not suitable because about the number of umbrella we have already told that I have n. Okay. So which describing word is suitable, Khushi? Two or blue? Blue. Write it in the given blank. Okay. Number 3. Start up, Manvendra. My mother. Read number 3, Manvendra. Read. My mother likes to drink dash tea. What kind of tea? Cold or hot? Hot. What kind of tea? Hot. Right? Everybody likes to drink hot tea, not the cold tea. Cold can be coffee or ice cream, right? So, okay, beta. Now come to number 4. Number 4. Yes, Lavish, stand up, beta. Number 4. Read number 4. What is written? Read. I ate dash pasta. What kind of pasta? Ugly or yummy? Yummy. Right? Fill it. Then next, stand up, Sudiksha. The mango is dash. Sweet or beautiful? Sweet. Stand up, Sanskriti. The ice cream is dash, hot or cold? Cold. What is the quality of ice cream? The ice cream is cold. Right? So here the exercise A is completed. So in exercise we have understood the use of describing words. So look at these words that we have filled in the blanks. Read these words again. Red, blue. These are the names of colors. These words tell us about the color of anything, any noun or pronoun. Okay. The word hot, yummy. These words tell us the taste, right? Taste and the quality of things. Okay. The word sweet, cold. These also tell us the quality, right? About noun or pronoun. So these words are describing words. Okay. Riddhi, stand up. Tell me a describing word about you. Yes, about you. Like Riddhi. आप कैसी हो? Riddhi. Riddhi is an intelligent girl. Speak another sentence about Riddhi. Riddhi is a cute girl. Good lavish. Yes, Anaya. Speak another sentence about Riddhi. Using a describing word. Riddhi is a good girl. What is the describing word here? Good. What is the describing word here? Good. Okay, sit Riddhi. Now stand up, Krishna. Tell me your describing word about you. You can say I am an honest boy. You can say, right? I am an honest boy. Right? Honest is showing the quality of Krishna. Like what kind of Krishna? What kind of the boy Krishna? He is an honest boy. Okay, so these words are describing words. Okay. Now come to the exercise B. Circle the describing words. Okay. Now we will read the sentence and identify the describing words. Which words are describing words? Stand up, Mayan. Read number 1. The tiny bird is flying. What kind of bird? A word is showing the quality about word. What kind of bird? No? Tiny. Very good. What kind of word? Okay, tiny. So this is the describing word. Number 2, stand up, Manvendra. Reena has a new car. Reena has a new car. What is the describing word here? New. Very good. What kind of car? New car. Or we can say Reena has Reena has an old car. Then old is the describing word. Reena has a blue car. Then blue is the describing word. Okay. Reena has 2 cars. Then 2 is the describing word. Right? We can change the describing word here. Number 3. Stand up, Sanskriti. He is an intelligent boy. What is the describing word here? Intelligent. Give me answers one by one. Don't speak together. Stand up, Khushi. I like to drink cold coffee. What is the describing word here? Himansh, I'm asking to Khushi. Let her answer. Yes, Khushi. I like to drink cold coffee. What kind of coffee? I'm asking the question. Give me the answer. What kind of coffee? Yes? Cold. What kind of coffee? Cold. So cold is the describing word here. What is the describing word here? Cold. Yes, stand up, Krishna. They have 2 kites. What is the describing word? Kites. Kite is a name. How many kites? How many kites? 2. 2 is the answer. 2 word. The word 2 is telling us about kite. Right? So what is the describing word here? 2. What is the describing word here? 2. Okay, now number 6. This is a cute cat. Cute. Very good. Okay. This exercise is also done. Now have you revised the chapter describing words? Have you all understood again? Okay, now come to the exercise C. Write plurals of the following naming words. It's very easy exercise. right? We have to make them plural. Okay, we have to make them plural. So how do we make plurals? How do we make plurals? By adding s and by adding es, right? We make plurals by adding s. In some words we add s to make plural, and in some words we add es to make plural. The words that ends with ch, double s, x, ox, okay, then we add es to make them plural. Okay, and okay, so look at the number 1. Yes, one by one, give me the answer. Stand up, Anaya. This is the word tree. There is only one tree, right? But look at this picture. There are more than one. There are 3 trees, right? So when there are more than one, then what do we say? Tree or trees? Trees. What is the spelling? TREE. So make this word plural. We have to add s only. We have to add s only. Number 2. Stand up, Khushi. Look at the word. What is this? APPLE. Apple. So how many apple? Look at the picture. How many? One apple is there. One apple is there, right? And how many apples are there? 2 means more than one. More than one. Now we have to make plural. First of all, we will write the word apple. We will write the word apple. Now, what do we add to make it plural, Khushi? S or ES? Only S. So what is the plural of apple? Apples. Speak. Tree, trees. Apple, apples. Okay. Next word. Navyansh. Ball. What is the plural of ball? Balls. BALLS. Ball, balls. Ball, balls. Ball, balls. Okay. We have to add simple S. Okay. Come to the next page. Next word is glass. Next word is glass. Now look here properly. Beta, Navyash, look here. This word is ending with double S, right? The words that ends with double S, CH, O or X, then we add ES to make them plural. Now we have to make them plural by adding ES. So first we will write the word glass and then we will add ES. The pronunciation is also different. Okay? Glasses. What is the pronunciation? Glasses. Speak. Glass, glasses. Speak everybody. Glass, glasses. Speak Manvind. Glass, glasses. Okay, next. Stand up Manvendra. Sandwich. What is this word? Sandwich. Sandwich. Now make it plural. This word is also ending with CH. What is the plural? First speak. Sandwiches. What is the plural? Sandwiches. Sandwiches. Which sound is coming? Which is sound. Is sound coming. Okay, so we have to add ES. This word is also ending with CH. Okay, so we have to add ES. Sandwich, then we add ES to make it plural. Now speak again, sandwiches. Speak again, sandwich, sandwiches. Speak again, sandwich, sandwiches. Okay, now tell me the plural of branch. Stand up, Anaya. Branches. Good. Speak the spelling, Anaya. ES. Very good. Okay, now repeat these words again. Repeat these words. Speak glass, glasses. Sandwich, sandwiches. Branch, branches. Okay, now come to the next exercise. So in the exam, singular plural will come. So you have to make the singular words to plural. Okay. Now number D exercise. Fill in the blanks with A or N. Okay. So fill in the blanks with A or N. Where do we use A? Tell me, where do we use A? When the word begins with a consonant sound. When the words begin with a consonant sound, like T-A-B-L-E, table. What is the first letter? Consonant or vowel? Consonant. Then we will use A. Okay. If the word begins with a consonant, then we will use A. Then we will use A. Okay. And if a word starts with a vowel sound, if a word starts with a vowel sound like O-W-L, owl. What is the sound? Owl. Ah is the sound, right? What is the sound? Owl. Ah is the sound. Then what do we use here? A and we have to focus the sound. Okay. Okay. So now do exercise. Look. Box. What is the first letter? B. Okay. B is a consonant. B is a consonant, right? So this is giving the sound B. So A or N? A. A box. A box. Number 2. Dash eagle. Which letter is this? Vowel or consonant? E. We have to look at the first letter only. Okay. So this is a vowel and this is giving the sound E. This letter is giving the sound E. E is a vowel sound, right? A or A-N? A-N? N. A-N? N. Speak an eagle. Now next, one by one. Lavish, stand up. H. House. Tell me, H is a consonant or a vowel? Consonant. Then what will become? A or N? A. A house. Because H is saying a consonant sound. Right? Here U. Stand up, Sudiksha. U is a vowel. Right? It is giving the sound a. Umbrella. So which article will come? A or N? N. Good. Sit down, Sudiksha. This is a vowel, so N will come. Stand up, Mayan. Ostrich. What is this? O. Vowel or consonant? A. Don't speak. I'm asking to Mayan. He will give me the answer only. Yes, beta. O. Is it a vowel or a consonant? What is O? Vowel or consonant? Vowel. Right? So this vowel is giving the sound O. Now what will come here? Vowel sound. A or N? Tell me louder, beta. N. Very good. Sit down. Stand up, Anaya. Dash kite. Look at the first letter. K. What is the first letter? K. This K is giving the sound ka. Right? So which article will come? A or N? K is a consonant. Tell me. A kite. K is a consonant. K is a consonant. Okay. आप अभी सिर्फ इतना ध्यान रखिए. If a consonant comes at the first number in a word, first letter is a consonant, then we will fill A. If the first letter is a vowel, then we will fill A and N. Okay. And focus the sound also. Okay. C-A-R, car. C is a consonant. Stand up, Navyansh. C is a consonant. A or N? What will come? What will come? A or N? Tell me fast. A. Because C is a consonant. Right? Consonant, then we will fill A. Stand up, Khushi. Dash apple. A is a vowel. Now tell me. A or N? What do I fill here? A and N. Very good. Sit. Stand up, Sanskrati. Dash dog. D is a consonant. A or N? Oh, good. D is a consonant, beta. Consonant आएगा, then we will fill A. Dash O, owl. O is a vowel. Yes, Riddhi. Sorry, Manvendra, you stand up, beta. A or N? Owl. O is a vowel. Tell me, beta. There is a vowel at the number 1. Vowel aata hai, then what do we fill? A or N? N. Very good. Sit down, Manvendra. Okay. Have you all done? Okay. So, if a word starts with A, E, I, O, U, then we will fill N. Then we will fill N. Okay. And if a word starts with a consonant, means except these letters, all the letters were, are consonants. Like A को हम leave कर देंगे. What are the consonants? B, C, D. E is a vowel, so leave the E. F, G, H. I is a vowel, so J, K, L, M, N. Then O is a vowel. Skip the letter O. P, Q, R. Speak. S, T. U is a vowel, so skip this letter. V, W, X, Y, and Z. So these 21 letters are consonant. These letters are consonant. If these words comes at the number 1 in a word, then we will fill a. Okay. If a word starts with these consonant sounds, then we will fill a. If a word starts with these vowel sounds, then we will fill an. Got it, everybody? Okay. Come to the next exercise. Circle the action words. Tell me, what are the action words? Tell me some action words. Stand up and tell me some action words by doing actions. Okay. What is this? Eat. And what is this? What is this? Write. Very good. This is eat. This is read. This is write. Okay. This is run. And jump. How do we jump? Right. Jump. Swim. How do we swim? Sit down, everybody. So these all are the action words. Action words shows our actions. Okay. Action words shows our actions. Okay. What work we are doing. Now let's start doing the exercise. My mother tells me stories. Yes, Lavish. No. My mother tells me stories. Tells. Very good. Sit, Lavish. She plays in the park. She plays in the park. What is the action word, Kushi? What is the action word here? She plays in the park. What does she do? Plays. Very good. The sun rises in the east. What is the action word? Rises. I brush my teeth daily. What is the action word? Brush. It snows in winter. What is the action word? Snows. Then number 6. Priya drinks milk. What is the action word? Drinks. Okay. These words are tell the action. These words tell the action. Okay. So there is exercise E completed. Okay. You all know what are the action words. Okay. So now last exercise F. Here few lines are given about my school. We have to complete those lines. Okay. These lines, sorry. So the name of my school is, fill it. You can write in short VSA or you can write in full Vidya Shri Academy. Okay. Then number 2, it is an what kind of school? English medium school. It is an English medium school. Okay, so like this you have to complete these lines. Okay, this is the homework. Rest of the lines you will complete. Rest of the lines from number 3 to 8 you have to complete in your worksheets. Okay, beta, and revise this worksheet. This worksheet will help you in the exam. These kind of questions you will see in the exams. Okay. Have a nice day, everybody. Thank you.